Today, we're exploring how to create a YouTube channel in 2024. Whether you're new to content creation or aiming to grow your brand, we've got the step-by-step guide you need. Let's get started and bring your YouTube dreams to life. Number 1. Setting up your YouTube account. Assuming you either don't have a YouTube account or wish to create a new one, head over to youtube.com and click on the sign in button at the top right corner. Since YouTube is a Google product, you'll need to create a Google account. In this demonstration, we'll be setting up an account for business purposes, and I'll explain the rationale behind this shortly. The following steps will involve standard form filling, where you can either use an existing email account or create a Gmail account, given that it's also a Google product. In this demonstration, we're opting for a new email account to keep our YouTube channel separate from personal accounts, treating it more like a business endeavor. There's a significant reason for this approach, which I'll explain shortly. Regarding your account password, it's essential to choose one that's secure, and while I can't assist directly with that, aim for something stronger than a typical password. Additionally, you might need to verify your account with a phone number during the setup process. Now that you've set up your YouTube account, you're ready to create your channel, marking the beginning of a journey filled with creativity, customization, and enjoyment. Number 2. Channel Creation Basics. First off, let's choose a name for your channel. This can be anything you desire. Next, you'll select your channel handle, which must be unique on YouTube. Both the channel name and handle can be modified in the future if necessary, so don't worry about making a permanent decision now. Following this, you'll need to upload a profile picture, which will appear in a circular shape on YouTube. Choose something suitable, whether it's serious, playful, or simply cool. When deciding on a YouTube channel name, it's best to keep it straightforward, memorable, and easy to spell. Now, with these basics in place, your YouTube channel might not look like much yet, but it's a significant step forward. One important update is your profile picture, along with the inclusion of the YouTube Studio link. Let's head over there now. Although there's a lot of information to absorb, there's one crucial task at hand, the second most important thing you'll do today after creating your YouTube channel. Number 3. Channel Verification and Features. Verifying your YouTube channel is essential to access critical features such as the ability to upload videos longer than 15 minutes and customize thumbnails for your videos. Just like before, you'll need to provide a phone number for verification. This step is also the initial requirement for unlocking advanced features, which will enable you to upload more content to your channel and potentially monetize it in the future. However, we can focus on those aspects another time. Moving forward, let's address the essential channel features that, once set up correctly, can largely be left alone. Head back into the settings and navigate to Upload Defaults, then review the visibility setting. This setting determines what happens to a video after it's finished uploading to YouTube, and it should never be set to public immediately. It's crucial to prepare a video by writing a title, description, uploading thumbnails, and so forth before making it public. Therefore, it's recommended to set this to either unlisted or, ideally, private, ensuring that only you can view the video on YouTube until you're ready to make it public. Number 4. Configuring channel settings. While you're in the settings, you might want to explore the Advanced tab and configure comment moderation settings if your content tends to attract negative or unwanted comments. Additionally, if your content is directed towards children, you must declare it under the advanced settings of each channel section. This is crucial due to past controversies, and YouTube now closely monitors content aimed at children. Providing incorrect information about your content's audience could result in serious consequences, including termination of your channel. Whether your content is intended for children or not, it's important to address this question here to avoid being prompted for it every time you upload a video. After familiarizing yourself with relevant help articles on this topic, it's advisable to set a default answer. Number 5. Setting permissions. One final aspect to address in the settings for now is permissions. This feature allows you to invite individuals to assist in supporting, maintaining, and managing your YouTube channel. You have the flexibility to assign different roles to these individuals, with the key point being that they only have access to your YouTube channel and not your entire Google account. Let's operate under the assumption of success for your YouTube channel in the future. As your channel grows, you may have a team helping to run it, and you'll likely receive numerous inquiries. This is why we suggest setting up your channel as a business entity with digital separation from your personal accounts. Now, let's delve into another aspect of security consciousness as we navigate through the YouTube Studio. Head directly to the customization screen and select the Basic Info tab. As mentioned earlier, you can modify your YouTube channel name and handle here. However, the crucial aspect at the moment is your contact information at the bottom of the screen. This email address is publicly displayed on YouTube, so it's imperative to ensure it's not the same as the one you use to log into your YouTube channel. Returning to the channel setup, consider the channel description box located on the same screen. When visitors access your channel via a desktop browser or the YouTube mobile app, they'll see the initial characters of your description. Make these count by focusing on the value you provide to viewers and incorporating keywords to help YouTube understand your channel better. Number 6. Branding your channel. Moving on to the Branding tab for more visual elements, you've already uploaded a profile picture. Now, for your channel banner. Keep it simple and focused on quickly communicating to viewers whether they're in the right place or not. Overcomplicating the banner can lead to confusion. Utilize objects relevant to your topic and consider a color scheme and design style that aligns with your thumbnails to establish branding. Craft a memorable slogan or value proposition that resonates with your target audience. However, be mindful of the dead zones on channel banners where edges may be cropped in the YouTube mobile app. Keep essential elements centered to ensure visibility across devices. When uploading a banner, preview how it will appear on different devices to avoid graphics being obscured, especially on mobile phones. Below the channel banner is the video watermark, a simple call to action to subscribe to your channel, typically positioned in the bottom right corner. Moving on to layout options, there's nothing to configure yet since you haven't uploaded any videos. Instead, consider exploring the audio library, where you can access free music and sound effects for your videos without worrying about copyright claims. Number 7. Exploring monetization. Additionally, the Earn screen provides insights into monetization, including requirements and milestones tracking. It's essential to note a security feature available here, two-factor authentication, which you should enable for added account protection. You'll need to have certain criteria met in order to monetize your channel. There's now a lower threshold for monetization that requires fewer subscribers, less watch time, or fewer short views. However, this lower tier of monetization won't unlock ad revenue for your channel. To sum it up, creating your own YouTube channel in 2024 is more achievable than ever. Let your creativity shine and your message resonate. Be sure to subscribe for more helpful tips and tutorials. Until next time.